Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. This is video 3 in a series of getting to know Excel. This is the 2024 version. And today we're going to get to know the Draw tab. So you'll notice when you open Excel, you've got a Draw tab. And it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It allows you to draw. If you have one of those what are they called? A trackpad where you can draw with a pen, you can turn this on and that will allow you to draw with your trackpad. Like on your, I guess I don't have a trackpad. I thought it would work on my laptop. Okay, so you can have multiple pens, highlighters, and markers and pencils to choose from. If you have a few different colors or different formats you like, you can add additional pens and set them to a certain color that you like. You can set them to a certain thickness that you like. You can choose more colors, or you can do something like this. All right. You can have multiple highlighters, different things up here ready to go for you. And then you just click and draw whatever you want to draw. Okay. So that is how you draw. You can use the highlighter. You can change to a pencil. You can change to a different pen. Change the colors of it right here like I showed you before. And the thickness. You can have some fun with that. Now, I'll come back to the lasso tool in a second. You have a few different types of erasers. You can choose the stroke eraser. That's going to just select the stroke. So if I did the stroke, I select that. Oops, sorry, eraser. I select that and it will disappear. The entire stroke. But if I want to erase just like part of it, I can choose from a small, medium, or segment eraser. Okay, and that's where, like you might have used in Photoshop, I can literally erase wherever this cursor is. I click and erase stuff. Okay, and then let's go with the lasso select. You can just click on things and it will select that stroke. You can move it around. Basically everything you wrote with that pen, you can move it around. Okay, but then you can also lasso certain things. Whoops. It's not switching to my lasso tool. It's just like the lasso tool in Photoshop, but it's not working all of a sudden. There we go. I don't know why I had to change my eraser back to stroke erase, but I choose lasso select. Make sure it's actually selected, and then I get this little cursor, and I can draw a lasso around part of this, and it will select just that portion of it for me to move. Okay. And it's kind of finicky. I don't know why it doesn't work all the time. Does not work as good as the Photoshop lasso. It's kind of dumb, but you can play around with it and try to select certain things. Okay, that is the Draw tab. Hope that's helpful. For more advanced tutorials, check out the playlist that's in the description, and have a great day and subscribe to Teach Mom How.